What's up, everybody? Ryan up at 816 Diesel. Making a video today on one of our trucks. Basically, we got a dipstick tube that is bad down at the transmission. So ATS makes a really cool kit so you don't have to pull the transmission and repress in the lower portion. So we're going to be installing that, making a video today, show you guys how to do it. We'll get under the truck and show you what we're working with currently. So on this transmission, we put new lines in. They were old and leaking, and we went ahead and did a new pan gasket. All that to find out, after we fixed all those leaks, that it's actually leaking right here at the dipstick tube. Somebody at some point tried to do some RTV around it. That never holds. What you want to do, first pull the actual dipstick out, and then if you can see up in here, you can see where I'm at. There's a bolt, it's 19 millimeter. It is flanged on to the actual bell housing. That is your upper portion of the dipstick tube. So I ran a 19 with the swivel and about a 2-foot extension. So I'm going to be taking that off. Once that's off, then you can actually slide the upper housing out and then pull this housing. It's got a Teflon seal from the factory. Kind of get up in there so you guys can see it. It's got a Teflon seal from the factory. So normally these are pressed in, but like I said, the ATS kit has great reviews. Everything looks good, so we're gonna go ahead and try that out. Okay, so bolts out. Next part you wanna do, now we started to put this tube in. Before you pull this, put a catch pan down. You're gonna have transmission spillage. Here's the old one. As you can tell, somebody pulled it at some point and just RTV'd it on. They did a terrible job. The new one with the 3 rings, see it's starting to go in. We got it down in there, but you're just basically gonna kind of back and forth and just twist it as you move it in and just put some pressure on it. Once it gets set, just realign, put your dipstick tube back in, reach up, get that bolt started, and then just run it down. That's pretty much it, guys.